Having clear and radiant skin is a fundamental aspect of one's beauty. Healthy skin contributes significantly to your sense of beauty. The condition of your skin relies heavily on your skincare routine and lifestyle choices. Numerous factors can affect the quality and texture of your skin, including stress, inadequate sleep, poor nutrition, pollution, sun damage, excessive smoking, and alcohol consumption. In today's market, there is an abundance of skincare and beauty products that claim to provide clear and glowing skin. However, instead of relying on these products, you can explore simple and effective home remedies to enhance your skin's overall health and appearance. Lemon. Lemon is a fantastic ingredient for promoting clear skin. Its citric acid keeps the skin clear, while its vitamin C content reduces dark spots. Apply freshly squeezed lemon juice to your face and neck. Leave it on for 10 minutes, and then rinse with lukewarm water. Follow this with a soothing cucumber rub. Incorporate this routine into your daily or every other day regimen. Turmeric. Turmeric is an exceptional antiseptic and skin lightening agent that minimizes scars and blemishes. Create a paste by mixing equal parts of turmeric powder and gram flour with a small amount of water or milk. Apply this paste evenly on your skin, allow it to dry, and then gently scrub it off with lukewarm water in a circular motion. Repeat this remedy once a week to lighten your skin tone and reduce scars. Aloe vera. Aloe vera offers numerous benefits for your skin. Its antibacterial properties combat acne, causing bacteria, soothe irritated skin, and aid in scar healing. Aloe vera also serves as a natural skin moisturizer. Extract the gel from an aloe vera leaf, apply it to your face with a cotton ball, let it dry for about 30 minutes, and then rinse with lukewarm water. Baking soda. Baking soda is an excellent pH balancer for the skin, crucial for maintaining clear skin and managing issues like acne and pimples. It doubles as an effective exfoliant. Create a paste by mixing 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of water or lemon juice. Use this paste to gently exfoliate your skin after cleansing. Cucumber. Cucumbers are rich in hydrating, nourishing, and astringent properties that enhance your skin's overall appearance, providing a fresh glow. Rub thick cucumber slices over your face, leave them on overnight, and rinse with warm water in the morning. Make this a part of your nightly routine. Mint. Mint, primarily composed of menthol, offers cooling and soothing properties that promote skin health and radiance. It also possesses healing properties that combat skin infections. Create a smooth paste by combining 1 teaspoon of mint powder with 1 tablespoon each of plain yogurt and Fuller's Earth. Apply this mixture to your face and neck, allowing it to dry naturally. Follow these tips and choose your preferred home remedies consistently to witness noticeable results. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more skincare tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel.